love and listen to the birds. And so here's a song called "I'd Miss the Birds." Hold on, I'm going to learn how to play it. Lately I've been dreaming of a house out in the woods with a big backyard, my dog and my lover. Gave Nashville a chance and made it farther than they thought I would, but it doesn't mean I should hang around and suffer. This world on fire still has me to discover. I wouldn't miss the traffic or the runaway trains, and the proud boys and their women just make me feel out of place. Oh, but I'd miss the birds and the music that they make, even they know when to fly away. Oh, I think it's time to fly away. Dusty Silverado, take me to another place. This town has a way to leave you wanting, for all its brand new buildings and its heroes on parade. This town still isn't big enough to love me, and I'm still too damn proud to beg for company. I wouldn't miss the traffic or the runaway trains, and the proud boys and their women just make me feel out of place. Oh, but I'd miss the birds and the music that they make, but even they know when to fly away. Oh, I think it's time to fly away. I think it's time to make a change, spread my wings and drift away. I think I finally learned that you can't get back the years, but you can always come back to a place. I wouldn't miss the traffic or the runaway trains, the proud boys and their women just make me feel out of place. Oh, but I'd miss the birds and the music that they make, and the feel of the earth beneath my feet in early May, and the magnolia leaves as they fall out of place. But even they know when to fly away. Oh, I think it's time to fly away. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night, into the light of the dark black night. I wouldn't miss the traffic or the runaway train, and the proud boys and their women just make me feel out of place. Oh, but I'd miss the birds and the music that they make, even they know when to fly away. Oh, I think it's time to fly